Alright, so what upgrades are we going to be doing today?
Well, last time we did finish on the planet.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I have an idea. Since Black Gold and Ultracore, those two planets, but the covers, they're on tightly with Cybermoon, but the cover on that, it's not as tight. Okay, so when I put the cover on the Cybermoon planet, it was not tight enough. Nope, not tight enough. So we're gonna do that, and then not sure if we have any more turn path upgrades for the tunnels. Yes, there's a couple more we have to do. Alright. And there's a tunnel path upgrade, but that we'll do next time. There's an upgrade we need to do on the tunnels. Yes, on the tunnels, we have to make one that leads from that tunnel, which goes to the top two tunnels. We're going to do one that goes to the second tunnel. Oh, we're doing one from the first tunnel? Or we could do both. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, so does this mean we have to do a tunnel from the one that leads from here to the top two tunnels? We're going to make one from there to the second tunnel or the first tunnel. Yeah, we could do one from the second tunnel and the first tunnel. Alright, but that we'll do next time. Yep. That will do. Let's go ahead and start on upgrades. Okay. I'll start working on the planets. You guys, you start on the turn path upgrades. Okay, we'll do that. Alright, let's go. Okay. So, we just got done. I'm done with the planets upgrade on Cybermoon. I put on the cover, made sure it was tight. So now we're good. Oh, wow, okay. Okay, let's see what we have. We got Black Worlds finished. We got Cybermoon finished. And then we got Cybermoon finished. Got the upgrade done. So now we're good. Alright, so the plan is here for the tunnel that we're going to work on now. We're going to team up for that. The Iron Monsters, you start from the second tunnel. Or the first tunnel, whichever one is easiest. And then I'll start on right here. Probably in the middle of the tunnel that leads to the top two tunnels from here. Yeah, that can work. Alright, we're going to start on the tunnel now. So, you guys start on the second tunnel or the first tunnel. I'll start in the middle of the tunnel here. Alright, let's go. Alright, now we're going to wait. Yep, we're going to wait. They're going to be done in about like 30 minutes or so. So, yep, it's just the turn path upgrades we have to do after they get done with the tunnel that leads to the middle of the tunnel that leads to the top two tunnels. They're going to make a tunnel that leads from that to the second tunnel. From that tunnel, we're going to do some turn path upgrades to there. Yeah, that works. Because there's already a turn path right there. Yeah, and there's only one there. There's one at the end of that tunnel right there. But there's no turn path from there. So, I guess we're going to have to work on that. Yeah, we might just have to let them know. Yep, we're just going to wait. And then we'll let them know. Alright, we just got done. Okay, yep, that sounds good. And there is a turn path upgrade that we have to do. Because at the beginning of that tunnel there is one turn path upgrade. From this tunnel, there isn't. So, we're going to have to work on another turn path here. Alright, yeah, that will be for next time. We can probably work on that. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, we're going to work on that next time. Yes, next time though.